In today's video, we are going to cover how to record a bank transfer in Wave. Begin by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in and the main dashboard is visible, move to the navigation menu and open Accounting. From there, select Transactions. This takes you to the area where account activity is managed, including entries that need to be added by hand when they are not already listed. On the Transactions page, click Add Manual Transactions. This opens the form used to create a transaction directly inside Wave. Since this is a bank transfer, the details you enter here need to match the movement of money between the two accounts involved. Start with the transaction date. Enter the date that matches the transfer. After that, select the account where you want to record this side of the transfer. Make sure you choose the correct account before moving on, because the account you pick here determines where the entry will appear in your records. Next, choose the transaction type. You will either select deposit or withdrawal, depending on how the transfer affected the account you chose. If money moved into that account, use deposit. If money moved out of that account, use withdrawal. Then enter the amount of the transfer. The amount should match the bank movement exactly so that your records stay aligned. If you want, you can add a description. This can be useful for noting that the entry is a transfer between accounts or for adding a brief label that helps you recognize it later when reviewing your transactions. Keep the wording clear so it is easy to identify in the future. After that, open the category drop-down menu. From the list of categories, select Transfer to another account. Once you choose that option, Wave will prompt you to select the other account involved in the transfer. Pick the matching account carefully so the transfer is linked correctly between both sides. At this stage, review the transaction details before saving. Check the date, account, transaction type, amount, and the transfer category. Also confirm that the other account selected in the transfer field is the correct one. This review matters because a transfer should reflect money moving between your own accounts, not income or an expense category. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the bank transfer. Wave will store the manual transaction using the details you entered, and the transfer will now be reflected in your transaction records under the account you selected. Your bank transfer is now recorded in Wave.